Adding a video that plays automatically on your Shopify store is a powerful way to capture attention immediately. There is a specific way you need to do this so it works properly in all browsers without sound blasting out. Most modern browsers like Chrome and Safari block videos that autoplay with sound, so the secret is to make sure your video is muted. The script works by using the muted and autoplay attributes together, and adding playsinline ensures it works smoothly on mobile devices without forcing full screen. To start, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the theme editor. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then click the Customize button next to your current theme. The exact placement of your video depends on your page, but the method for embedding the code remains the same. You will want to add a custom liquid section or use a custom HTML block if your theme supports it. The most reliable way is to scroll down to the bottom of the left sidebar, click Add Section, and look for a section called Custom Liquid. If your theme does not have that, you can add a new section file, but the custom HTML block inside a text column often works just as well for a quick setup. Inside the custom HTML or liquid field, you will paste a video tag with specific attributes. Start by opening an HTML video tag. Set the width to 100% and height to auto for a responsive look. The critical part is adding the loop attribute so it never stops, plays inline so it does not switch to a full screen player on iPhones, and both controls and autoplay with the muted property explicitly set. It should look exactly like this format. Video width equals quotes 100% quotes height equals quotes auto quotes loop, plays inline controls autoplay muted. Then you add your source tag inside with the src pointing to your video URL and the type set to video/mp4. Finally, close the video tag and save your changes. The controls attribute is optional, but leaving it in allows customers to unmute the video if they choose to hear the audio later.